Kyrsten actually. First experiment is volcano eruption. These are the materials. This is a tree, two hot empty bottles, dishwashing liquid, vinegar, baking soda, red food coloring, tablespoon, pencil. Last is the cardboard. Don't forget to ask for help from your parents. First, make a paper volcano using cardboard. Draw a shape like this to make a volcano and cut it like this. Next, place the empty bottle in the tray. Then put vinegar, about like this, and put food color. After putting the food color, put 1 tablespoon of dishwashing soap. These will create bubbles. Then set aside. In another bottle, put baking soda into the bottle for about 3 teaspoons. Then you put the cardboard volcano.